Starting your day off right is crucial for your overall health and well-being, and a nutritious breakfast plays a vital role in that. Today, we're counting down the top 10 morning foods you should eat every day. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients to fuel your body and mind for the day ahead. So let's dive in and discover these powerhouse breakfast options. Green tea, a refreshing beverage choice. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is green tea. While it might not be a food in the traditional sense, it is an excellent morning beverage that deserves a spot on our list. Rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea is linked to a range of health benefits, including improved brain function, enhanced fat burning, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. Plus, the moderate caffeine content provides a gentle energy boost without the jitters often associated with coffee. Starting your morning with a cup of green tea can hydrate you and set a refreshing tone for the day. Quinoa, a protein-rich grain. At number 9, we have quinoa, a superfood that is often celebrated for its incredible nutritional profile. Unlike most grains, quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's gluten-free, rich in fiber, and packed with vitamins and minerals. You can enjoy quinoa for breakfast by cooking it with almond milk and adding fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. This grain can serve as a hearty and nourishing alternative to traditional breakfast options, ensuring you have the energy to tackle your day. Chia seeds, tiny nutritional giants. Coming in at number 8, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are small but mighty, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and various essential nutrients. One of the unique properties of chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid and form a gel-like consistency, making them perfect for puddings or smoothies. Sprinkling chia seeds on your oatmeal or yogurt can enhance the nutritional value of your breakfast while adding texture. Including chia seeds in your morning routine can help you feel full longer and provide important nutrients to kickstart your day. Leafy greens, a nutrient boost. At number 7, we have leafy greens. While many people think of leafy greens as a lunch or dinner item, incorporating them into your breakfast can dramatically boost your nutrient intake. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories, but high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and calcium. Starting your day with leafy greens can help you meet your daily vegetable intake and provide a wealth of health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation in the body. One simple way to include greens in your breakfast is to add a handful of spinach or kale to your morning smoothie. This will not only enhance the nutritional value of your drink, but also add a beautiful green color. Another great option is to scramble leafy greens with eggs or incorporate them into an omelette. This provides a delicious, nutrient-dense meal that supports overall health. By making leafy greens a regular part of your breakfast, you'll ensure that you're starting your day with essential vitamins and minerals that promote overall health and well-being. Nut butter, a source of healthy fats. Number 6 on our countdown is nut butter. Whether it's almond, peanut, or cashew butter, nut butter is a delicious and nutritious addition to any breakfast. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins, nut butter can help keep you satiated and provide lasting energy. Spread it on whole grain toast, add it to smoothies, or mix it into oatmeal for a satisfying meal. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as nut butters can be calorie-dense. Choosing natural, unsweetened varieties maximizes the health benefits while minimizing added sugars. Whole grain toast, a healthy carb option. At number 5, we have whole grain toast. This simple breakfast staple is a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, essential for sustained energy throughout the day. Unlike refined bread, whole grain options retain the bran and germ, offering more fiber and nutrients. Toasting whole grain bread and topping it with healthy fats, like avocado or nut butter, creates a balanced meal that supports heart health and keeps you feeling full. By incorporating whole grain toast into your breakfast routine, you'll nourish your body and mind. Berries, nature's sweet treat. Coming in at number 4 are berries, nature's sweet and healthy treat. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. These tiny fruits are rich in anthocyanins, which are linked to reduced inflammation, improved heart health, and enhanced cognitive function. Adding berries to your breakfast not only provides natural sweetness without the need for added sugars, but also enhances your meal's nutritional profile. They are low in calories but high in fiber, making them an excellent option for those looking to maintain or lose weight. You can toss berries into your morning oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy them with yogurt for a delicious parfait. Berries also make a great topping for whole grain pancakes or waffles. Including a variety of berries in your breakfast can help you meet your daily fruit intake while providing essential nutrients that support overall health. Eggs, the nutrient-dense option. At number 3, we have eggs, often referred to as one of the most complete sources of protein available. Eggs are nutrient-dense, providing essential amino acids, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin B12, choline, and selenium. Starting your day with eggs can boost your energy levels and help you maintain a balanced diet due to their ability to keep you full longer. The high protein content in eggs supports muscle repair and growth, making them ideal for those engaging in physical activities. Eggs are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in numerous ways: boiled, scrambled, poached, or as an omelet packed with veggies. One delicious and nutritious breakfast option is a veggie omelet. Simply whisk a couple of eggs, pour them into a hot pan, and add your favorite vegetables, such as bell peppers, onions, and spinach. This creates a filling meal that's rich in protein and packed with nutrients. Whether you prefer them classic or creative, eggs are a fantastic choice for breakfast. Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is Greek yogurt. Known for its creamy texture and rich flavor, Greek yogurt is a powerhouse of protein. With nearly double the protein content compared to regular yogurt, it's an excellent choice for those looking to build muscle or maintain a healthy weight. Protein helps keep you satiated, reducing cravings and making it easier to resist unhealthy snacking. Greek yogurt is also a good source of probiotics, which promote gut health. You can enjoy it plain or mix it with fruits, nuts, or a sprinkle of granola for added flavor and texture. Oatmeal, the ultimate breakfast food. Finally, at number 1, we have oatmeal, the ultimate breakfast food. Oatmeal is packed with fiber, particularly soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and can lower cholesterol. It's a whole grain that provides a steady release of energy, making it a perfect choice for starting your day on the right foot. The health benefits of oatmeal are vast. It supports heart health, aids in digestion, and keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking later in the day. Oatmeal is also rich in vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. Preparing oatmeal is quick and easy, and it can be customized to suit your taste. You can enjoy it plain or add a variety of toppings such as fruits, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of honey. For an extra nutrient boost, consider adding a spoonful of nut butter or a sprinkle of chia seeds. The versatility of oatmeal allows you to experiment with flavors and textures while still providing a nutritious start to your day, making healthier choices. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 10 morning foods you should eat every day. Incorporating these nutrient-dense options into your breakfast routine can significantly enhance your health and well-being. Remember, breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. Simple combinations of these foods can create delicious and satisfying meals. By making small, intentional changes to your breakfast habits, you can enjoy a more nutritious start to your day. Experiment with different combinations, flavors, and textures to find what works best for you. As you embrace these foods in your morning routine, you'll likely notice improvements in your overall health, mood, and productivity. Let's prioritize nourishment in our mornings, ensuring we fuel our bodies and minds for the challenges ahead. Thanks for joining this countdown, and here's to starting every day with a healthy breakfast.